Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Chaos Grace. Today I'll show another neckline hand embroidery tutorial with German knotted blanket stitch. First you have to draw some curved lines like here I have drawn. Now here I am giving German knotted blanket stitch with 4 string cotton lacha thread. These are plastic beads. This is a fabric glue and these are half pearls. So you can see with a very simple and easy stitch, German knotted blanket stitch, and with some beads and with some half pearls, I have completed this neckline hand embroidery. So if you like my easy technique of doing neckline hand embroidery with German knotted blanket stitch, then please give a thumbs up and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.